Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Clean 8-Bit. Today we are going to be cleaning my Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now I've been using this Galaxy Buds for about a year. Originally my wife got him as a gift, but then she got herself some AirPods because she said that she didn't like the quality of the Galaxy Buds. I didn't mind it at all. I think that they sound pretty good for like the style of music that I hear, and so I decided to keep them. Just as any wireless headphones that are on the market now, these tend to get pretty dirty, and you might not notice it, but since you're grabbing them and touching them and putting them in your ears a lot, they tend to build a lot of wax on these areas, especially the part that goes inside your ear. Since you gotta remember that even if you clean your ears regularly, your ear's gonna produce a lot of wax, and it's just natural that it gets all over the tip right here that goes inside your ear. So you just gotta be mindful of that and make sure that we clean it at least once a week as well, just like our phones. To clean them, today I'm going to be using some good old-fashioned alcohol, 70%. I'm also going to be using a microfiber towel, and I'm also going to be using these new Q-tips that I bought on Amazon, and they are electronic cleaning device Q-tips, and they're also people use them to clean guns. And what these are is like the tip of the Q-tip is like made out of sponge, and then this is like a really hard plastic. And if you notice, they have different design. Like this one has like a pointy tip. As you guys know, these wireless headphones that are coming out now, they have a lot of tiny little crevices and holes, and that's where that pointy tip is going to come in handy. I'm going to go ahead and grab the microfiber towel and soak it with some alcohol in like an area. I'll soak it like a corner with alcohol. And what I'm going to do first is remove the headphones out of the case. I'm going to put them over here on the side, and I am going to focus on cleaning the case first. I'm going to start with the outside, just like this, especially here where most of the time we put our fingers to it. I already washed my hands completely before cleaning this device. I will advise the same because you do build up oil on your hands as well. You don't want to put that oil back on the device. Just make sure that you're cleaning it with alcohol. It's completely safe to use alcohol on electronic devices. It's not gonna damage it at all. If anything, it's gonna make sure that it's super squeaky clean, and it's gonna get rid of all the nasty build-up fats and oily stuff that builds in all these little spots. The reason why we want to clean inside the case first is because you might think, oh well, I don't touch the inside of the case, but after you put the headphones back in here, since they have been covered in wax and oil, that's gonna stay in here at the bottom of this case, and we just want to make sure we have it ready for when we clean the headphones to put them just back inside. Now we're gonna move on to cleaning the headphones themselves. Now yours might look different even if you have the same model as mine, and the reason is because this here are swappable. This little plastic ring that goes here, you can swap it for different sizes. You can remove that, just take it apart, just pull it a little, and you can also remove this rubber piece that goes inside your ear. You can remove that as well, which we're going to do, and that exposes the actual speaker that goes inside our ear. Make sure that I keep them on the same side so I remember which one goes where. And as you notice, the alcohol on this wipe is already evaporating as well, so we're gonna put some more. You can do it in the same spot on another area, it does not really matter. We're gonna grab the bud, because that's what they're called, and we are just going to clean all over it, like this, like that. Okay, make sure that we get in there as as much as we can. Okay, feels pretty clean already. And we're gonna do the same with this other one. As I mentioned before, I clean these at least once a week, so they're not as dirty. If you haven't cleaned them in a while, especially over a month, you start noticing that they do build a lot of wax. So yours might be a little dirtier than this, but it's okay. That wax is not gonna really damage the device, but you just wanna make sure you don't have nasty things stuck in your ears, right? So now I am gonna grab this sponge Q-tip, and I'm gonna grab the one that is not like so pointy. It kind of has like a round tip. I'm gonna stick that in the alcohol. So now this sponge is sucked with alcohol, and I'm gonna use this side to clean this rubber piece right here. We are gonna go like that, and inside the tiny hole that's here. Okay, all around this edge. Oh, it got all slippery. And then we want to make sure we do it in the hole here and all around here, like that. Okay, great. Put that on the side. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Make sure we do it quickly before all the alcohol evaporates out of the swab, like so. The inside, bam. It's going to be super clean. And we're also going to use it to clean this other piece right here, since we still have a lot of alcohol in it. Make sure we use it. Okay. You can actually wear this as a ring. It's like, would you marry me? Now we're gonna use the pointy tip, the pointy sponge swab. We're gonna stick it in the alcohol as well. And we're gonna use it to clean the speaker area. So we're gonna grab it and just go lightly over this area. Make sure that we get the tip there and all these tiny little grill holes and all around this. And then we want to make sure that we clean this tiny speaker hole. I think it is a speaker hole, I'm not sure. Maybe a microphone hole, one of the two. Alright, and then we're gonna do the same thing with this one. Just make sure we get there on the little grill for the speaker, and that's gonna dissolve like any oil that is stuck in those tiny holes. And then we're gonna clean this area here. You can see that it has built up a lot of dirt here. It's kind of hard to get to with the other swab, but this one, since it's pointy, it's doing a pretty good job. And I can already tell that the tip of this swab, it's getting brown. So that means that it's picking up a lot of dirt and oil. Now they are so clean that you can practically eat them. All right, now that the swabs have fulfilled their purpose, get out of here, chicken. And we're gonna put all of these things back. So left, this one is the left one. To put on the rubber part, just make sure that you have it open like this. And then just have to put a little bit of force to put this this hole into the little grill. So grab it and push it. And once it's like that, you can just flip it out and there you go. Let's do the other one. So the little grill for the speaker. This hole here. Put a little bit of pressure, it gets stuck, push it down, you're good to go. And then to put back this rubber piece here, if you notice there's a slot that matches exactly with this little bumpy thing. Is it like a bumper, like sticking out thing, piece of plastic? Just make sure you align it to it and it should fit just like a glove. Perfect. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the other one. Find out that little groove, whatever it is, it's a groove, stud, I have no clue. Little piece of plastic that sticks out and align it to that slots and kabam. Whack, 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 whack. So let's grab the case, which we have already previously cleaned, and let's put these things back in there. There you go. Good to go. Alright guys, well there you have it. Some clean Samsung Galaxy buds ready to be put on your ears and enjoy some good music. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like. If you want to see more videos of me cleaning electronic devices, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, don't forget to clean a bit.